Silver Game of Thrones. Hello guys. New package today from Upmax. Let's see what they sent to me. Supposed to be 4 coins. Okay, very interesting coins. Yeah, some work you need to do to remove all these plastics, right? Especially if your coins are not cheap coins, not rounds. If you have government backed coins, usually more expensive. And packaged well. Not every one of them. You see, this is a Czech Republic. This is a Czech Republic, and it's like just a coin. And some coin like this, very interesting coin. You know, usually I don't go 2 times above spot price, but for some coins I pay maybe even 3 times, but it's very rare. This is one of those coins. So let's see what we have today. Yeah, so this is a 1 ounce Australia Kangaroo with melon privy. You see the small one here? This is a privy, what they call here. I don't know if you can see it. It's like here. You can like here, you see? The privy. This is what I call the privy. Melon privy. Yeah, it's 5 kangaroos. It's a troop of kangaroos along with melon privy mark. Come in capsule, and what is interesting, the limited mintage is 5,000 coins, where only 3,000 released in international market. Means we can get only 3,000 is international market, right? So something came to Germany, something came here. So I believe here it's very rare. This is why they are so expensive. And they're about like 40 bucks something, right? Yeah, $42 almost. So I usually don't go for such expensive premium, but you know, I did my homework research and I see this kangaroo. It's not a first release. Usually in 2-3 years they go like twice, 2-3 times. Okay, so I think it's a good bet. It's a good bet. And then backside, you know, the same ugly face. But what are you gonna do? This is who is ruling the world. Nice coin. Yeah, it's very nice looking coin. I really like it. Kangaroo. Okay, what the next one? Next one is this Czech Republic. You know, I believe every year they have the same boring design, but oh sorry. Every year they have the same boring design, right? Oh, it's not in focus. Yeah, like this. Oh, now it's good. Czech Republic. Yeah, don't never say what is mintage. These coins. Yeah, it is a image of two-tailed Czech lion, coat of arms for the Czech Republic. Yeah, design is cool. I like this design. It's very interesting design. I like all these creatures, but it is the same coin every year. And like you know, I'm collecting like every year coins. So the year of the coin, not this one, but I do collect them. Especially the price is average like $24, $23, $22. Like yeah, half of spot price. Same face. Who is ruling the world? They say $2. Yeah, it's a nice coin. Not the worst one. Let's say like this. The next one is. I was curious about this coin. This is a dolphin. Abrasions, what they say. Abrasion. I don't know what's wrong with this coin. Everything looks legit to me. Everything looks okay to me, but they say it can be some spot or some mark on this coin. This is why they, raise it 2 times less. Usually this coin, they have very limited. They are very limited, right? They like 25,000 coins, and I see the same coin, like 40, 50 bucks. I will say no way I'm going to buy it. But then I saw this coin like twice cheaper. Yeah, maybe there is some spot here. I can see spots here, right? Couple of spots here I can see. Yeah, come on. In 2-3 years you'll have these spots. It's not a big problem, especially I know how to clean them. Yeah, so it's also limited mintage coin, 25,000, and they will be expensive down the road. And if you can grab some, in high price, then why not? Go to UpMax and get one. Abrasion, what they call it, abrasion coin. Dolphin. Yeah, you see there is a sun and dolphin on, on the front of the sun. In the front of the sun. Yeah, very nice coin. And the last one is Barbados. I like these Barbados coins. Usually they have like 5-6 coins every year, and they have what is cool. The both sides are cool, right? Both sides are cool. So this is leonfish. You see, this is leonfish. And mintage is also limited. I believe it's only 10,000 coins. Okay, so you see, I put my mouse, I'm doing where my mouse is. So I say I collect rare coins, and I do. I try to collect, coins, not always, but, when I have choice, I do my choice. At extremely low mintage, yeah, extremely low mintage. It's like 10,000 coins only. So it's a leonfish with graphic image of Caribbean Sea, right? This is Caribbean Sea and leonfish in the background. Yeah, very cool. Like it. Nice coin. And one more I want to show you. I grab on eBay. I start to think, because I have Kookaburra, and I just saw like this coin is 2012 Kookaburra, and I didn't have it in my collection, so I tried to fulfill my collection, because I started like something from 2015, 14, and this is 12, 13. So I'm looking, if I see some good price, I grab. So it was like 28 bucks for 6 years old. It's very good price, because usually as it go older, it much price will go higher and higher. Not drastically, but you will need to pay 2, 3, sometimes even more, sometimes like 10 or 20 bucks more. So it's a good price, and coming to my collection. And I also, it's on a way, I have 2 more Kookaburras from 2011 and from 2013, I believe. We'll see them in the next movie. Okay, guys, Silver, Game of Thrones. Enjoy. Thank you. And hey, and put your comments if you like it, Bye bye.